Hey guys, how you doing? A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I love cookies. As a matter of fact, I am the cookie monster. La 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 la. Anyway, I was thinking about a recipe and I came up with these almond coconut cookies. 4 simple ingredients, incredible. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to kick things off here by adding about 400 grams of sweetened coconut flakes to a bowl. And this is about 14 ounces. If you're in the imperial system, I'll do all the conversions in the blog. Then about 14 ounces, 500 milliliters or so of that wonderful sweetened condensed milk. 2/3 of a cup of lightly chopped almonds, and those are roasted salted almonds. And 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Grab my handy dandy spatula here and mix these up until everything is nicely combined. Then what you want to do is set them in the fridge for about 15 minutes so they set nicely. Now I'm going to take my ice cream scooper here and take a level scoop and just place it on a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. Then I'm just going to use my hand and flatten these down a little bit. Now we're going to slip these into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes in the oven, they're nicely browned around the edges. So what we're going to do is just let these cool completely to firm up. Now they've cooled a bit, I'm just going to transfer them onto a plate. These look so good. And there you have it guys, our wonderfully delicious coconut and almond cookies. Okay, let's go ahead and crack these open and see what's inside. Doesn't this look incredible, guys? These are really good. The coconut shines through. The almonds, the chocolate chips, they're kind of a chewy cookie. Great with a cup of tea, cup of coffee. You're going to love these. You got to make them. I'm going to eat more. For all the details on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. You can spend hours over there. All kinds of cool stuff. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Stay safe and see you next time, guys.